Your biggest problem is not your situation. It is the endless conversation happening inside your mind. The more you overthink, the more fear grows, confidence disappears, and simple decisions become difficult. If you do not control your thoughts will control your life. Today, that changes. Overthinking does not solve problems. It creates them. A calm mind makes better decisions, takes action faster, and lives with greater peace. In this video, you will learn 7 powerful lessons to break free from overthinking, trust yourself again, and train your mind to focus on what truly matters. Lesson 1. Break the overthinking cycle. Most people believe they overthink because they care deeply or want to make the right decision. The real problem is different. Overthinking often begins because your brain wants certainty in a world where certainty does not exist. It keeps searching for the perfect answer, replaying old memories, and imagining future problems. Instead of protecting you, it traps you in an endless loop of doubt. The truth is that your mind is designed to solve problems, not to think about the same problem forever. When you repeat the same thoughts without reaching a decision, your brain mistakes activity for progress. You feel busy, but nothing actually changes. The more you feed this habit, the stronger it becomes. Imagine a student waiting for exam results. Every hour, they wonder, what if I fail? They replay every question they answered and search for clues that cannot change the outcome. Days pass, but all that thinking never changes the result. It only steals their peace before they even know the truth. The first step to breaking this cycle is simple. Whenever you catch yourself thinking about the same problem again, stop and ask, am I solving this, or am I simply repeating it? If no new answer appears after a few minutes, your brain has already done its job. Write the thought down if needed, then gently shift your attention to the next useful task. Action ends the cycle that endless thinking keeps alive. Remember this powerful truth. Overthinking is not a sign of wisdom. It is often a sign that your mind is searching for certainty where none exists. The moment you stop chasing perfect answers and start accepting enough clarity to move forward, you take back control of your mind instead of allowing your mind to control you. Lesson 2. Put your energy where it matters. One of the biggest reasons people overthink is that they spend their mental energy on things they cannot control. They worry about what other people think, what might happen tomorrow, or whether everything will go exactly as planned. The more attention they give to these things, the more powerless they feel. Their mind becomes busy, but their life does not move forward. The truth is that peace begins when you separate what you can control from what you cannot. You cannot control the past, other people's opinions, or every unexpected event. What you can control is your attitude, your effort, your choices, and the actions you take today. The moment you focus on these, your mind becomes clearer because your energy has a meaningful direction. Imagine 2 people preparing for an important job interview. One spends the entire week worrying about the interviewer's questions, the competition, and whether they will be selected. The other spends that same week improving their answers, practicing confidently, and learning more about the company. Both face the same uncertainty, but only one uses it as motivation instead of fear. Whenever you feel trapped in worry, pause for a moment and ask yourself, can I control this? If the answer is yes, take one small action immediately. If the answer is no, remind yourself that thinking about it will not change the outcome. This simple habit trains your brain to stop wasting energy on imagined problems and invest it where it can make a real difference. A peaceful mind is not created by controlling everything around you. It is created by mastering your response to whatever life brings. Every time you choose action over worry and responsibility over fear, you strengthen your confidence. Over time, your mind learns an important lesson. Real power does not come from controlling the future. It comes from controlling yourself today. Lesson 3. Turn worry into purposeful action. Overthinking often feels productive because your mind is constantly working. You analyze every possibility, imagine every mistake, and search for the perfect solution. But thinking without action creates the illusion of progress. The longer you stay inside your head, the bigger the problem appears. Meanwhile, the simple action that could move you forward remains undone. The truth is that action is the natural enemy of overthinking. When you begin doing something, your brain shifts from imagining problems to solving real ones. You stop asking endless, what if, questions because your attention is now focused on, what's next? Even a small step creates momentum, and momentum gives your mind confidence that progress is possible. Imagine someone who wants to improve their English but spends months searching for the perfect course, the best learning method, or the ideal daily routine. Every day they watch videos, compare advice, and worry about making the wrong choice. Another person simply picks one good course and studies for 30 minutes every day. After a few months, the second person speaks with confidence, not because they found a perfect method, but because they started before they felt completely ready. Whenever worry begins to grow, ask yourself one simple question: what is the smallest action I can take right now? It might be making one phone call, writing the first sentence, studying one page, or having one honest conversation. The action does not have to be big. It only needs to move you one step closer to the solution. Remember this powerful truth: your future is not shaped by the thoughts you repeat. It is shaped by the actions you repeat. Every small step weakens fear and strengthens confidence. When you replace endless worry with purposeful action, you teach your mind that progress is always more valuable than perfection, and that is where real peace begins. Lesson 4. Let go of the need to be perfect. Many people overthink because they believe every decision must be perfect. They spend hours choosing the right words, waiting for the perfect opportunity, or trying to avoid every possible mistake. The fear of getting something wrong becomes so strong that they delay taking action. Ironically, the search for perfection often prevents progress completely. The truth is that perfection is an impossible standard. No successful person has lived without mistakes, failures, or moments of uncertainty. Growth has never come from getting everything right. It comes from learning, adjusting, and becoming better with every experience. When you accept that mistakes are part of success, your mind no longer has to carry the heavy burden of being perfect. Think about a child learning to ride a bicycle. They do not master it on the first attempt. They wobble, and sometimes fall. If they believed every mistake meant they were incapable, they would never learn to ride. Instead, every fall teaches them something new. Slowly, their confidence grows until balancing becomes natural. Life works in exactly the same way. Every mistake carries a lesson that no amount of overthinking can teach. Whenever you find yourself waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect plan, remind yourself that good enough is often enough to begin. Take the next step with the knowledge you have today. If things do not go as expected, adjust your path instead of judging yourself. Progress is built through consistent improvement, not flawless performance. Always remember this. Perfection creates pressure, but progress creates confidence. The people who achieve the most are rarely the ones who never fail. They are the ones who keep moving, keep learning, and refuse to let fear stop them. The moment you stop chasing perfection, you free your mind to focus on what truly matters, becoming a little better every single day. Lesson 5. Bring your mind back to the present. Overthinking pulls your mind into directions. It keeps replaying the past or worrying about the future. You think about mistakes you cannot change and problems that may never happen. As your attention drifts further away from the present, your stress grows stronger. The more time you spend living in yesterday or tomorrow, the less you experience the only moment where you can actually take action. The truth is that peace is always found in the present moment. Your mind may create hundreds of imaginary situations, but your life is happening right now. When you learn to return your attention to what is in front of you, you weaken the habit of overthinking. Instead of fighting every anxious thought, you simply stop giving it all of your attention. Imagine someone walking through a beautiful park while constantly checking messages, worrying about work, and replaying an argument from the previous day. They reach the end of the walk without noticing the fresh air, the trees, or the peaceful surroundings. Another person takes the same path but pays attention to each step, the sound of birds, and the cool breeze. Both spend the same amount of time outside, but only one truly experienced the moment. Whenever your thoughts begin to race, gently bring your attention back to your surroundings. Notice your breathing, listen to the sounds around you, or focus completely on the task you are doing. You do not have to force your mind to become silent. You simply need to remind it where your life is actually happening. Never forget this powerful truth. A peaceful life is not built by controlling every thought. It is built by choosing where your attention belongs. Every time you return to the present, you take away the power that overthinking has over your mind. Little by little, your thoughts become calmer, your decisions become clearer, and your days become more meaningful because you are finally living them instead of only thinking. Lesson 6. Trust yourself through small decisions. Overthinking often grows because you stop trusting your own judgment. Every decision feels risky, so you keep searching for more advice, more opinions, and more certainty. You wonder if there is a better choice waiting somewhere. Instead of making progress, you become stuck between endless possibilities. The longer you delay, the more difficult even simple decisions begin to feel. The truth is that confidence does not appear before you make a decision. It grows after you make one. Every choice teaches you something valuable, whether it leads to success or a lesson. People who seem confident are not always certain they are making the perfect decision. They simply trust themselves enough to move forward and adapt if necessary. Imagine someone choosing a career path. They spend years comparing every option, afraid of making the wrong choice. Meanwhile, another person chooses a direction, works hard, learns new skills, and adjusts along the way. A few years later, the second person has gained experience, knowledge, and confidence. Not because they found the perfect path, but because they were willing to start walking. Begin strengthening your confidence with small daily decisions. Choose what to read without spending 20 minutes comparing every book. Decide on a task and finish it before questioning yourself again. Trust your first reasonable choice more often instead of searching endlessly for a perfect one. As you practice making decisions, Your mind learns that uncertainty is not something to fear. It is simply a part of moving forward. Always remember this. Every decision is like a vote for the person you are becoming. The more you trust yourself, the stronger that trust becomes. Even when life does not go exactly as planned, you gain wisdom that no amount of overthinking could ever provide. Confidence is not built by avoiding decisions. It is built by making them, learning from them, and believing that you are capable of handling whatever comes next. Lesson 7. Build daily habits for a peaceful mind. Many people believe that one big breakthrough will finally stop them from overthinking. They wait for life to become less stressful, for every problem to disappear, or for the perfect moment to feel calm. But peace does not arrive because your circumstances suddenly improve. It grows from the small habits you practice every single day. A peaceful mind is not an accident. It is the result of consistent choices. The truth is that your mind follows the patterns you repeat. If you spend every day filling your mind with worry, distractions, and endless comparisons, overthinking becomes your default habit. But if you regularly create moments of silence, reflection, learning, and gratitude, your brain slowly begins to expect calm instead of chaos. Lasting change is never created by one perfect day. It is built through many ordinary days lived with intention. Think about a garden. If you ignore it for weeks, weeds begin to grow naturally. You do not have to plant them. But if you care for the garden a little every day by watering the plants, removing weeds, and giving it attention, it becomes healthy and beautiful over time. Your mind works in exactly the same way. Whatever you feed consistently will continue to grow. Create a simple daily routine that protects your peace. Spend a few quiet minutes each morning before checking your phone. Write down the thoughts that keep repeating instead of carrying them all day. Read something that strengthens your mind, take a short walk, or end each evening by remembering a few things you are grateful for. These small habits may seem ordinary, but together they reshape the way your mind responds to life. Never forget this powerful truth. A peaceful mind is not something you find. It is something you build. Every calm thought you choose, every healthy habit you repeat, and every small decision to protect your inner peace becomes another brick in a stronger mind. Over time, you stop reacting to life with fear and begin responding with clarity, confidence, and quiet strength. Overthinking does not disappear in a single day, but every small change you make gives your mind a new direction. As you practice these 7 lessons, you will begin to notice something powerful. Your thoughts become calmer, your decisions become easier, and your confidence grows naturally. Life will always bring uncertainty, but it does not have to steal your peace. The strongest mind is not the one that thinks the most. It is the one that knows when to think, when to act, and when to let go. Keep practicing these lessons, and little by little, you will build a calmer mind, a stronger heart, and a happier life. If this video helped you take control of your thoughts, please give it a like. Share it with someone who overthinks everything and needs to hear this message. In the comments, tell us which lesson you will start practicing today. Subscribe to English Story Journey for more life-changing lessons. Press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.